Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. This is Correct Bet. I want to show you how you can be using these tricks to play Zoom Soccer step by step by using this UC Web browser. This is UC Web browser. Once you get it on your phone, let me show you again. This is UC Web browser. Once you open it, you type on here, type Zoom Live Soccer. Once you type Zoom Live Soccer, you open this way. It will open. I think we're having network issue. Let's refresh it. Zoom Live Soccer. As you can see, it will open. This is where you see their live score for Zoom Soccer. So this is where you watch all your Zoom Soccer live as they are playing Zoom Live Soccer. It's not normal soccer, it's for Zoom Live Soccer. So you'll be seeing their results here as they are still playing. So you now know the teams you choose to know as if they are playing well, the way they are playing. So you can use these tricks now to know people that will win on the next match. These tricks now work perfectly. You check the ones that play. For example, Bayern Munich, they play 5-0 with Frankfurt. As you can see them here, you can see they play 5-0. See them here, they play 5-0. So all those ones that score from 4-0 up to 5-0, what you do on the next match, because if you want to play them straight winning on next match, their odd will be small. So what you do is to play them over 2.5. Over 2.5 goals. That's what you play them for the next goal. Make sure their color change to green, just as you see it here. Their color change to green. So that's how you know how to play them over 2.5 on the next match. For example, see Napoli play 7-0. So next match you have to play it over 2.5. All those ones with green that play from 4 goals up. You see Roma play 4-1. So we have to choose them over 2.5 on the next goal. So this is how you do it using these tricks by using UC Web browser. UC Web browser. Once you open it, type Zoom Live Soccer. So watch those ones that is on green, that score from 4 to 5, 6, 7 goals. You play them over 2.5 on the next game. That's how you do it. Remember, this is Zoom Soccer, not normal soccer. Alright, this is Correct Bet. In case you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so I don't miss my new video anytime I post. Alright, this is Correct Bet. Our phone number still remains 07036760527. Number is 07036760527. That is our WhatsApp number. In case you never subscribe, you can subscribe for our channel. Thank you for watching. Wait for the next video.